You ever walk into a room and feel like no one really sees you? You try to join a conversation, crack a joke, and suddenly the vibe shifts. The group awkwardly looks at each other. Someone forces a chuckle, then quickly changes the topic. You pretend it doesn't bother you, but deep down it stings. What just happened? Here's the truth. People aren't avoiding you because they dislike you. They're reacting to tiny, invisible social cues you don't even realize you're giving off. And the key to fixing it? Emotional intelligence. Step 1. The emotional mirror trick. Jake is at a coffee shop with a friend. His friend looks sad. Instead of acknowledging it, Jake excitedly talks about his day. The friend becomes more disengaged. "Hey, you okay?" The friend opens. People naturally connect with those who reflect their energy, tone, and mood. If someone is excited, match their enthusiasm. If they're serious, don't crack a joke right away. If they're talking about struggles, don't cut in with your own. Just listen. Step 2. The 2-second pause rule. Alex is at a lunch table. A friend shares something deep. Alex immediately responds with something unrelated, making the friend feel unheard. Most people respond too quickly in conversations. Instead of processing what's said, they risk interrupting or making the convo about them. The fix? Use a 2-second pause before responding. Let the silence sit for a second. It makes them feel heard. Step 3. The assume good intent hack. John waves at a colleague, but they don't respond. He looks hurt. Then a thought appears. Maybe they're mad at me? Maybe they didn't see me? Maybe they're just distracted? Ever felt like people are ignoring you? Here's a secret. Most of the time, it's not personal. Maybe they were distracted. Maybe they had a rough day. Maybe they're just bad at socializing. Assume good intent, and you'll instantly feel more at ease. The real key to social success? It's not about being the loudest, funniest, or smartest person in the room. It's about understanding emotions, yours and others. Next time you're in a conversation, try these 3 tricks. Mirror their energy, pause before responding, and assume good intent. Then come back and tell me in the comments which one made the biggest difference. If you want more breakdowns on emotional intelligence and social success, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got some wild insights coming your way. See you in the next one.